Let's make some mouth-watering spicy spaghetti. I'm gonna take you step by step to recreate this easy 30-minute meal. I've listed all of the ingredients in this box here as well as below. So let's kind of walk through the ingredients that we have on the table today. Keep in mind that this recipe is very fluid. You can add or take away anything in the description box that you don't think will fit into how you like your spaghetti to be. You can make it less spicy. You don't have to add any of the same spices. But check out what I did below and we'll see if it comes out just as good. I find it very helpful to use a small paring knife to get the insides of the bell pepper out. It doesn't matter if you leave a little bit of the white, but it can be a little bit more bitter than the actual red flesh. And you also can cut them into slices instead of big chunks like I'm doing here. But I prefer the texture of a nice, well-defined bell pepper when I am biting into it. One really awesome trick that I've learned from watching many different chefs make different pasta dishes is setting aside just a little bit of the pasta water. This water contains a lot of starch from the actual pasta itself to help you thicken up the actual sauce and make the entire meal just blend a lot better. You'll see me use just a little bit of this later on in the recipe, so stay tuned. Go ahead and remove any of the excess water that you have from your pasta, put it in a covered pot, and put it to the side until we move on. We will go ahead and start cutting into thin slices our yellow onion. You can use maybe 2 medium-sized yellow onions or 1 large yellow onion. Now we have the beginnings of some wonderful aromatics that we're going to use. Next, we just need to get into the garlic. That will complete the trifecta of the aromatics. I'll link a video below of a really cool tool I use to get the shells off of my garlic. Check that one out if you guys would like. And we have all three, our garlic, our onion, and our bell pepper. Now we're gonna go ahead and put some salted butter, or you can use oil, to get ready to fry up our aromatics.
That we could see a lot going on in terms of technology and hours.
I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells so good. Here I'm adding just a little bit, not measured, of the pasta water to thicken up the aromatics. Feel free to use any kind of chicken. You can use chicken thighs like I'm using here, or you can use chicken breast. It might be a little bit drier if you do use a white meat. I removed some of the fat, but not all from the chicken, but feel free to also do that if you prefer to have less fat in your meal. definitely was not okay with that amount of fat that was on that piece, so that came off. Here you see our bite-sized chunks of chicken that we are now going to throw in the frying pan that still has all the goodness of our aromatics, and we're going to use a little bit of oil and saute on a medium-high heat until completely browned. Before the chicken gets too cooked, you want to go ahead and add your seasonings. All of the exact measurements are listed below, but I'm just adding in Italian seasoning, parsley, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. Oh yeah, and I added some pepper. Can't forget that. For this particular recipe, I did use andouille sausage, but you can use any kind of hot link sausage. Just needs to have a little bit of a kick if you want to end up with that spicy spaghetti taste. You're going to slice them up and place them in with the meat just to let some of the fat render into the pot. And then we're just about done, you guys. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, what do you put in your spaghetti? Now for the part we've all been waiting for, adding our pasta sauce to the dish. Any kind of pasta sauce will do. This is just what I had on hand, and let me tell you, it was so good. Now that everything has been mixed together, we cannot forget our aromatics, so we're going to go ahead and add those, and we will mix everything until well combined and serve. I topped mine with more parsley. You can also add any kind of cheese if you'd like. If you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.